Hi, we're the 3cubebros, and we'll be doing a 16 3x3 cube relay. So,
alright, we're gonna start in...
Nope, we're gonna introduce the cubes first.
Alright.
So the 5 cubes that I have is a NASA cube. It's just one of those match the picture NASA cubes. A Zonchi. This is my bad Zonchi. And another Zonchi, and this is my good Zonchi. Here's a white Panchi and a white Edison cube. So those are my 5 cubes.
My cubes are a random M&M cube, a numbered cube, a random SpongeBob cube, and 2 Diane Panchis.
So my cubes is this nationality cube with a whole bunch of flag signs. And Alpha V, Andre's Guhan V2, my Guhan V2, Shining F3, and Nostra's treasure chest.
Okay, so we're gonna scramble all these cubes now.
Okay.
Alright, in 3, 2, 1, go!
Nostra's treasure chest. That turns amazingly.
I have to solve this really slowly or else it's gonna pop.
What's that? Is that a Panchi?
No, it's my Zonchi.
Oh, it's a Zonchi.
Oh yeah, we have 2 Zonchis, I forgot about that.
Yeah, but
Why does this one turn like in sections?
that's what I told you.
Oh yeah, I forgot. It's really weird, you have to do 400s.
So do I.
All of us do. Even though I'm using
Hey, I played this song.
I think it's either Jeff or AJ.
Well, obviously.
Except that I played it like a little bit slower than that.
Jeff's not in here.
I know.
This is like a grade 8 study.
Is it? Which one?
Not sure. I don't remember. But I played it. It's grade 8
Finish
study.
the Zonchi without popping it, which is good.
I don't think so.
Yeah, it's a grade 8 study.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I played it.
I played almost every single grade 8 study and I've never heard this song before, ever.
Really?
This is definitely not a grade 8 study.
It's a study.
It could be a study, but it's not
It
grade
is a
8.
study.
Wait, how many studies do you have to do for Piano 9?
2. There's always 2 studies, I think.
Yeah, it's list A, B,
Do you have to do orchestra excerpts?
No.
Okay, I'm just,
Why?
It's just because of bass, okay. Never mind. I have to do 3 orchestra excerpts. But there are 4 songs, right? List D.
You have to do 4 repertoire
Yeah,
and
okay,
2
yeah.
studies, I think.
And I have 3 more.
Wait, what did I just do?
I have 3 orchestra
Let's
excerpts.
solve Canada first because we're living in Canada. Okay. I'm good. I'm so good.
Well, GC perm.
Whoa.
I can't turn this.
No, America. Bad America. Yeah.
I'll solve this because it's
No,
going to take a while.
America.
You don't even know how long this is
How do
going to
you
take.
do this?
This is going to
Oh
take
god,
a long
M&M
time.
cube.
How the hell do you do this?
You know what? Screw doing all the centers. I really don't want to right now.
You don't even know how hard this cube is, Andre.
Let's do the nasty cube.
Yeah, recognition is uber hard.
How do you do this? This is so much harder than I expected. No. The orientation is all wrong.
Can I start solving your guys' cubes?
No.
If you guys aren't finished?
You think?
No.
Why is whoever it is playing for Elise in a different key?
Oh, that's Adrian. Adrian plays it in B minor.
Oh, okay.
No, B
Minor.
minor, yeah.
Adrian, why are you so silly?
Why is there even pianos in your gaming videos?
Everything is gonna be sped up anyway. No one
Yeah.
wants to watch like 20 minutes of solving.
I do. I'm not that much of a
Let's see. I need to match up France and Great Britain. France and Great Britain. Where did that piece go?
Because we're not living in the 17th century.
Go check your ass.
Okay.
But I always wonder why is France right beside Great Britain?
Because
Oh, I thought you said
No, it's a
Honestly.
freaking cube.
It's a
Do you
cube.
really think that the makers of that cube were all too concerned about geography?
See, Korea is right beside Great
Yeah,
Britain.
we'll check
Watch
it.
it.
What?
We'll go
I
check
want to
it.
see like what they wrote.
Some kind of G term that I don't know.
Who likes you?
Where does that
And
piece
why
go?
did you get
Korea and
this?
Great Britain.
Ugh.
Korea and Great Britain. Okay, there it is.
Oh, I found it.
What?
Emily's one was like, ask Leslie out again. Don't be a pussy.
Emily
Oh my
did?
god. Emily doesn't understand anything, okay?
And I'm just like 5 years. That's all I wrote, 5 years.
Oh, M&M cube, hardest cube done.
Oh my god.
NASA cube is hardest cube.
Right
And then it
now?
might be slowest, but recognition on
I need
NASA
to
cube
do
is
this America cube. Mm.
No! I don't even know if this cube.
The US and France right here.
front of
I
this.
can actually do F2 not badly upside down. So I already popped this punchy twice.
Oh my god, that's the song that I lost to at Columbus. Or not.
I'm almost done
Hasn't
F2L.
even started yet.
Which cube are you on? I'm my second.
I'm on my third, but this is the NASA cube, so I've been on it for 5 minutes.
I've been on it for a while.
Not 5 minutes.
Great Britain, you're almost done.
Oh, damn. Put in a,
Okay, I finished my third cube.
Really, I'm still in my second.
I'm still on my third. Andre, that's because you didn't
All yours were about
finish the centers.
Yeah, so they didn't
All
really
yours
feel
about
like
like
it.
Leslie. A lot of them.
No!
What were the all
Sure, let's count it anyway.
No!
No, I got one that said you're hot.
Really? I've gotten like two
No.
that were like really complicated.
Oh.
I'm like, oh.
I don't have any that are really confident. Oh, two.
Oh shit.
You're hot, and two, Leslie's really lucky to have a guy like you like her.
That's cute. There's
Her.
I like a couple that really nice people.
What are you guys talking about?
Ask.fm.
Yeah.
It sticks out of my neck really bad.
I will not join the bandwagon.
Me neither.
Yeah.
I will
That's what everyone said, and then they joined.
Eugene did it.
Yeah.
Even Eugene.
I refuse.
June or Andre.
The ask.fm.
Yes. Join the bandwagon. Jump on the
It's actually kind of
bandwagon.
interesting. Except
Welcome to
then
the bandwagon.
many things that will become repetitive.
Eugene, what was with yours?
Huh?
You're just like, Leslie hates
Oh god. I didn't
Oh, yeah.
even realize this.
Okay, you know what? I'm not doing centers either.
Yeah, just, you know what?
No, just joke. Yeah, I'm not doing centers.
No, I'm doing it.
it.
Do I get bonus points?
Both of them.
Sure. But you don't. No one cares though.
Wow. Okay. Gary and the Plankton are so similar in color that I just completely screwed this up.
Wait, guys, think this would be distracting?
No.
Yeah.
No. We're so focused on our cubes that we don't care.
Yeah, pretty much.
That's enough.
Empowerment.
Okay, how many cubes do you have left?
One. It's my Donchi.
Last one, I don't know.
Saving the camera.
And
Okay, what does the last person do?
last person gets a slap.
Okay. Multiple slaps out of that.
Wait, is June
Last
done?
cube.
What's Jin's done?
Yeah. Eugene did have one more than me, but
Oh.
But you used the better one.
Slap.
Sorry, guys.
Oh,
after
okay.
you get slapped.
Shut up. I have the freaking cube
M&M.
that makes my hand numb.
Is this the M&M?
I
Yeah.
have 3 of those cubes.
Oh,
Actually,
you
the number
laugh.
is not so much, but the
He wants the
Just the
lady.
M&M cube.
Wait a second, one of the ladies.
No, you're just bad with this one.
split bone cube is loose, but it locks up with nothing.
Wow.
That's really cool.
What? That's not a lady.
Can someone bring back Eugene, please?
She's a woman, not a lady.
Oh, man, that was really nice.
Ah, I still won. I'm so happy.
Try to-
Okay.
Oh.
I'll get it. difference.
So we have completed our
16 cube relay.
16 cube relay.
And we will have our times in the description section.
And probably right over here, if we don't forget to put in the annotation.
Yeah, okay, well, thanks for watching our video, and subscribe!
Yeah.
And thanks for watching.
Our names were at the top, Egan. Nice job.